Hello everyone, my name is Allison and today we're going to be talking about closing entries. There are 4 journal entries that make up the closing entries. The first one moves fees earned to the income summary, which is an account that's used primarily for closing entries. The second is to decrease all expenses to a balance of 0. The third is to move income summary into the owner's capital, and the fourth is to decrease any owner's drawing account to a balance of 0. This is the information we will be using to make our closing entries. We have a John Doe capital account of $600,000, John Doe drawing $10,000, fees earned $300,000, wages expense $150,000, rent expense $40,000, supplies expense $12,000, and finally miscellaneous expense of $15,000. The first thing you want to do is bring your fees earned down to 0. So in this case we had $300,000 to start with, but we want to bring that to 0, so you have to debit fees earned, and then you're going to credit the income summary account. The second journal entry, you want to zero out all your expenses. Being you usually debit an expense to increase it, you're going to want to credit them all. And so you will debit your income summary and then credit all your expenses. And to get your income summary value, you just add up all your expenses together. The point of the third journal entry is to move anything left in income summary into the capital account. In this case, $300,000 minus the $217,000 from the previous 2 journal entries is $83,000. So to decrease the income summary, you want to debit it and then credit the capital account to increase it. The final journal entry will only occur if the owner has utilized a drawing account. In this case, they did, and they had $10,000 at the end of the period that you want to net 0. So you're going to debit the capital account for $10,000 to decrease it, and then credit the drawing account for $10,000 to decrease it back to 0. This concludes our video on closing entries. If you want to see more videos like this, check out our YouTube channel, UIU Tutor. And if you want to hear about Upper Iowa University, check out our website at uiu.edu.